Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook account password from Facebook application if you already know the password, and other way if you don't know the password, then how can we reset it from Facebook application. So to change my password I have to click on this image and then click on settings. So I have to go to settings. From setting I can choose the password and security, this button, and then scroll it down, select again password and security and change password and select your account. So from here I can enter the current password and I can enter the new password and then re-enter the new password. Then I can easily change it. But if you don't know your password and you want to change it, so that in case you have bought your new phone and you just want to open that account in that new phone, then if you don't know the password, then how can we find out our password from here? So we really can't find out password from this application, and we have the only way is we have to change it. If you have used your account in any Google Chrome and you have saved it, then you can easily find out password from settings. So for example, this is my Chrome and I have opened my Facebook account here. So I have to go to settings, and from settings I have to go click on this password button. So these are the saved password, and I can click on this Facebook password and I can easily see password from here. So if you don't have used your account in any Chrome and you only using your mobile application, then how can we change it? So we have to see that from here. So we have to go back and log out from my Facebook account. Log out. So let's try to change my password. So from here I have to try to log into another account. So type here your email address. This is my Gmail, and for password I don't know password, so I have to click on forget password. So now you see these are the different accounts, so I have to click on this one. This is my account. So now this Facebook account is used on other phones. You can see this TechnoSpark 10C. So I can easily check this account from that device, but I can try another way if I don't have that phone. So I have to try that another way. So now the one way is to notify that device. So if I click on continue, then I will receive OTP on that device, then another device, because this account has been logged into two devices, one this one and another device. So if I click on continue, I will receive OTP on that device. So what I have to do, the easy way is to receive code on your WhatsApp account. So click on this one. Now this phone number is registered. My account has been verified by this phone, so I will receive code on this WhatsApp number. So if I click, now I will receive OTP on my WhatsApp. So you can see. So this is the OTP. I have to click on continue. So now you can see I can't really change my password from my Facebook application, because whenever I try to change it, they will just log in me, they will allow me to log in. So I can't change my password from this method. What I have to do, I have to go to Google Chrome, because I really can't change my Facebook password from here. So I have to go to any browser. For example, I'm using this Facebook browser, and I have to search for Facebook login. Just open in this first link. Now from here my account is already logged in, so I can see the password from password and settings in this Chrome. So if I logged out from this, so now you can see my account has been logged out, so I have to click on log into another account. So just put your Gmail, your phone number or your address, and for password I don't know password, so I have to click on forget password option. So enter your email again here. If you have your phone number, then you can try by your phone number. So I'm entering here Gmail ID again, click on continue. So now you can see this is my account, so I have to click on continue. They will send me code on this Gmail address. So now I will receive code, so I have to go to Gmail. So if I refresh it, so now you can see I have received code. So click on continue. So now you can see they have allowed me to create a new password. So what I have to do, I have to create new password. So click on continue. Now password has been typed, so I have to click on this continue button. So now the password has been changed, so I have to save this login for future. So now you can see my password has been changed, so now I can log into other device easily, because I know password